Good. Now let us move to the display format of the calculator. Display format. The calculator display can be set up to either natural display, the math mode, or single line mode by tapping the 1 or 2 respectively in our previous screens. Math mode allows for various mathematical expressions to be shown in the conventional way, and it is usually better to use this. In line mode, exact results will not usually be shown and the symbols will look a little different. It will also be more difficult to enter commands. For example, these two screens show the same information, the first in math mode and the second in line mode. Now, when your calculator is in this line mode, in fact, you will find yourself in a hot soup in the examination hall. The very sad event or a sad story that may happen in your life is when your calculator changes to this line mode and you are unable to change it back to the math mode. In this line mode, all your entries will be in this form. That is in the early version of the scientific calculator, that is the MS calculator. That is why this ES calculator is recommended, the FS 991 ES. Now, most students will run to me, say, my calculator, look at how it is coming. It has changed from the default math mode to the line mode. And with this, in the examination hall, if you are unable to change it back to the math mode, in fact, you'll be in trouble. Now, should you are unable to change, it means that it's going to affect your results in the examination room. It will affect your final results. So once your math teacher will not be invigilating you during the WASI, when your calculator changes from math mode to the line mode, you should be able to change it back to your math mode. Let's follow the steps how we can be able to do that. So now we are moving back to the shift mode. Very good. Now, if you press shift mode and you choose number 2, shift mode, you want to choose, very good, the line mode, that is number 2. So you have selected number 2. Now, let's press on the fraction key. Look, when we press on the fraction key, look at how our fraction is appearing. And we want to enter, let's say, 5 over 2. This is how our fraction is appearing. Now, any time your calculator moves from the math mode to this line mode, you have to change it back to the math mode. So, in the examination room or during prep in the classroom, when you find yourself in this condition, don't worry at all. You just have to press shift. Shift and you press mode. And you press shift mode. Now you choose the number 1. That is the math mode. Math mode. Choose the number 1. Very good. Now when we press on this, we are back to our normal default mode. You see, this is interesting. So this is when your calculator moves from math mode or math IO to the line IO, you should be able to deal with it. and you'll be able to convert it. So when you get to school, when your friends have these challenges in the classroom, you should be able to deal or solve their problems for them and put smiles on their faces. So that is how we were able to change from the line mode to the math mode, and from the math mode to the line mode. So that is it. In fact, the book gives you the step by step. In fact, when you call, you will get a copy of the book wherever you are. You can link you to get a copy of the book. For teachers who need copies of the book for their students, you will order it in bulk and you'll be given a commission on each book and also a free transportation. Let's help ourselves and say no to D7 in the mathematics exam to terminate our aim of becoming what we want to become in future. You know, the universities do not accept D7. We cannot afford to get that. The nursing training, the teacher training do not accept D7 in the mathematics. Please, let's end or say no to D7 now by following these tutorials. You share it wherever you have the tutorial. Subscribe, as I used to say, you subscribe. When you subscribe the YouTube, the button subscribe at my channel Frank Yaopon, you will be notified anytime a new video is being released. In our next video, we are going to start real number system as a topic in mathematics, in commerce, very broad one. You will solve past questions under them. How to use the calculator to solve past questions, how to convert approximations, that is from we will change our given values to significant figures, to decimal places, scientific notation, nearest 10, nearest hundreds, nearest thousand, nearest 10,000s. Our calculator can do that magic for us with no stress at all. This is where you end for today's. So today we have been able to achieve our aim that whenever we want to move from any mode of the calculator, one mode to the other, we press shift and then mode. Shift, then we press mode. All our modes will appear. Then whenever we want to move to scientific notation, we want to move to any other mode, then we choose a corresponding number and we do that. Also, we can reset or change our calculator from line mode to math mode. You can change our calculator from line mode to math mode. So we say in the examination room or in the classroom where we face that challenge, we should be able to solve it. In fact, that is most students' challenge. So students' most common challenge, changing from the line IO display format to math IO. Today, we have been able to achieve our aim. Thank you for watching and never forget to subscribe to our channel. Bye-bye.